In this episode, I'm gonna show you how to make a homemade boba drink. Welcome back. Thanks for joining me again today. You could have been anywhere else in the world today, but you're here with me, and I thank you. Alright, so we're making boba today, and you wanna prepare your tapioca pearls the way that your manufacturer instructions tell you how to do it. Alright, so I just boiled mine, and right there you can see that I'm cooling it off in cold water. And then I drain the cold water and I add some vegan sweetener. It has to be vegan, because Bobasaur is a grass type Pokemon, right? It's gotta be vegan. So look at this really cool book that I got with my matcha kit. Makes me look like an expert. You gotta sift it. Make sure you don't get any lumps. Then you add some hot water. 165 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal. You go ahead and you whisk it in an M shape, and I wish you could have smelled that. That smelled so amazing right there. Alright, so question for you. What does Bobasaur evolve into? Trick question. It doesn't evolve because Ash doesn't like to evolve his Pokemon. And when they do evolve and get really strong, he gives them away. And he cries when he loses in the Pokemon League. Ash is the most frustrating character in any anime I've ever seen. Bulbasaur, use Leech Seed attack. It missed. Alright, and pour your contents into a jar. Now, for those who like to drink with their pinkies up, yes. That Leech Seed attack was super effective. Alright, so just add your boba on the bottom, ice if you want, some non-dairy milk, and your matcha. And there you go, the Bobasaur shrine is complete. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. I got more content coming for you in the future. Have a good one.